11 a.m. Camp Mabry in Austin, Texas. Just got the crew arrived here and set up. They'll be putting up the AVTT wall shortly. Had a great turnout with Austin PD.
Involved in emergency first response. Since that time, there have been countless American Heroes events from coast to coast, attended by thousands. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jim Paulus.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Austin. It is a true privilege for the American Heroes Air Show to be back with the 2018 Texas Military Department Open House Weekend at historic Camp Mabry in the heart of Texas. This will be our 12th year for our team of Austin volunteers to have the honor of working with the Texas Military Department under the leadership of Major General John F. Nichols, Adjutant General of Texas, and the many volunteers and reservists who have helped grow this annual event into one of Austin's most anticipated admission-free family events. Since our very first event in Los Angeles, far too many years ago in 1993, the American Heroes Air Show mission has always been to educate, communicate, and demonstrate to the public the unique aviation that profiles helicopters' crucial role in law enforcement, search and rescue, homeland security, and national defense. The success of our mission has led to the American Heroes Air Show in communities from coast to coast. But while the high-tech aircraft that you'll see here today and tomorrow, we hope the real message today is the one we hope you'll return home with, and that is that teamwork is the basis for success, and a sense of duty and service has thrived in the American spirit for over 200 years. It's a spirit of service we saw vividly earlier this morning as military members and others stood before families and their friends and recited their oath of allegiance to become our very newest American citizens. In Hollywood, sometimes it teaches our kids, I think, that often challenges in life are solved with fast cars, big guns, and all this nonstop action sells tickets in theaters. What we hope to teach all the families with us here this weekend with our law enforcement, our fire, military partners, is that the real solution to life's problems, the permanent solutions to these problems, are more often taken care of and resolved with teamwork, training, and a personal spirit of commitment that honors family and country. We hope this weekend will teach families that in the real world, outside Hollywood, it's not the special effects, but it is the special people that save the day. But if you still believe in Hollywood heroes, have all the right stuff, then today we want to ask you and your family to introduce them to the men and women here today that bring the real stuff. Ask the pilots, talk to the recruiting teams, the volunteer search and rescue volunteers about their mission, their training and background. And don't forget to ask if they have the very best job in the world. This is the perfect opportunity and event to get to know these folks. And as I have gotten to know these folks over the years, what I've learned in talking with everybody I meet at this event is that in America, heroes come in all shapes and all sizes. And in America, heroes come in all genders, all colors, and all ages. Heroes like Austin PD Officer Ralph Abunado, whose death in the line of duty we celebrate and recognize with their family members here today. And even though that tragic event occurred 40 years ago, I will just share with you what my family taught me. Honor never dies. Honor never dies. In closing, on behalf of the entire American Heroes Air Show, volunteer team, and our host, Major General John Nichols, the men and women of the Texas Military Department, we leave you with a challenge today to always remember the one hero that will always be there for you, the one hero that will never give up on you, is the hero inside you. Have a great time out here today. Thank you for joining us at the Texas Military Department's Open House and the American Heroes Air Show. Thanks for coming out.